Today, I'm going to teach you how to create project templates in Premiere Pro. First, start a new project by clicking on New Project. Give your project a name or leave it as untitled. This project will be just for creating the templates. Choose a location on your PC to save this project. Now click on Create. Here in the project panel, you can create folders, for example, sequences, videos, audio, images. Among other things, however, I much prefer creating these folders directly in Windows and then transfer them to Premiere. So as you can see here, I have various folders. I have a project folder, a music folder. I also have folders for sound effects, folders with overlays. Anyway, create the folders the way you want. I am going to select all these folders and transfer them to the project panel in Premiere. Great! All the folders have been imported here into Premiere. One thing to note is that in the project folder, I created a sequences folder that currently has nothing in it. So I can already prepare some sequences here that I imagine I might need in some projects I will work on. Great! I created some sequences here and renamed them to make it easier to identify. Now I go back to the initial screen here in the project panel and I will save this project here. Okay? I'll click on File, Save or Control S. It is very important to save before the next step. Okay? Now we will actually create the template. Let's go to File, Save as Template, and then you put the name of your template. If I can give a suggestion, I like to name the template with the date I created this template here. Because whenever I update these folders here and create a new template, I will know which template is the most recent. I will click on Save. Now let's suppose I'm going to create a project to edit a video. I will click on New Project. I'll put here Add Project. And here in Project Template, I will select the template I just created. Selecting here. I will click on Create and Done. Now my project has already started with all these folders and it will be much easier for me to do the editing because I already have all the basic material here that I can use in any video. This can save you a lot of time in your projects, especially if you edit videos with recurring materials. And if you want to know where these templates are saved on your computer, just open the Adobe folder that's inside the Documents folder, then click on Common. After Assets, then Project Templates, and here will be all your templates. So if you change computers, you can copy and paste these templates into the right folder here so you won't lose them. For more tips like this, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks, bye, and see you soon.